Just got Lula Schwegman was it was Givens long time ago. And anyway, dijara po na karat. Punay ako, kufunin natin umagan sa Jose beyond the West and tenin po na ka and punay daw, wala ko hagit doang umagan sunggi bagin. And istihite na wat, adroli no wat. Mvskoke, kay punay chito us together. They say, huh? And I'm like, oh. Then they say, Chinda? I say, yeah. So, but anyway, you follow boarding school, my auto women's, when I was about 5, I guess, but before I talked, Tijara pa ko sa punayad, my mom and dad, madiko sa doon, church test, madiko sa English said, you follow boarding schools, I out, nak, mahogad, gis ako, and then Tijara pa, punayad, know what, nak makta jaya, tumakaya, nak, Sahuilas tige hoted, Sahuilas, and then Tanahangi, Owaga, Marabit, Society, Montero, Mangisega, Manimbuna, Ibunaho, you know what, we Sabakli do much. I don't know how to say trouble, but anyway, yeah, I stayed in trouble with it. But my Tanahangi, my uncle, said when I got home from boarding school, he said, "Nagin gitsit tanga, nagin mahahoy ang gama, gingerbread boy, mga those kids." Mariko si gitsit those bagay mas kayo si don at the play hoted, but Tijari po na karat, tijari, afat ka gidondan, nak abilejid, ibilejid, iyabalejid, mga ano ka. But afat kidois, but nak tijara gid full na hayuat. Impo na karat, kita gagun the West. But often lega afachkido stijadi madoy not let's get going when even if they have problems they don't. Yeah, so in English I was put to boarding school when I was probably about 4 or 5, and I didn't talk anything but Creek at home. So when we got to boarding school, I got in trouble for trying to talk, you know, but I met my cousins and stuff, the other ones, when we've seen each other, then we're like, yeah, you know, so we could know what was going on, but we get caught, we got in trouble. We had to always be in trouble and stay in a corner. Just go stand in a corner. So, Mahogan. But and then as far as my outlook on Indians is like, we're happy people. Even when we have problems at home or whatever is bothering us, we get together. When we gather, we still laugh. We laugh at ourselves, we laugh at each other, but it's like we don't have a care in the world. But in a way, we don't, because we have our God to help us, you know. And I think as long as we have that in our hearts and our faith, you know, so we're special people. But our language is dying. No matter how hard they try, because you have to talk in Creek at home, and not just school. But ang bidagi that hopefully knows it on hopefully that not magay na wa kisi dun do es en ponay kuda. Hadam Tijari Bonaka Bonayak know what how do you say expression? On anyway, expression is on your face and your actions, not more Bonayat, you know what, so they pick up on that. Yeah, so and then I went to one language class, and she said, this woman asked me, she said, can you help them? I said, I don't know, if I'll try. She said, then they're learning Creek, but they don't know how to put I said, what, the slang in there? She said, yeah. So I went and I knew what she meant, because they still talk like Stihetki, but they talk in Creek, you know, so that didn't, you know, and I told them, I said, like you say, Hofonin, it's a long time, you know, you have to put all that in there when you're talking, learning it, but a lot of them don't, so, that I've seen. And what else? I need a question.
Did you have any brothers or sisters that spoke Mvskoke as well?
Yeah, I had an older sister.
Can you say it in Mvskoke?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, but mình bữa nay đưa mà song git to Wanka, but song give and then I had an aunt that used to talk to me on the phone, and well, song git to Wanks, but I have a brother. Don't was in Bona you do is what how do you say? He knows it. He should know as in Bona you go to do, but he understands it. Yeah. 82 years old, the Hagan, not Kisayari. I'm so gitos kaysa no. Tizara pa naka mades. Kaya mo na yung utay ko. Ikchidos. Marigos ko.
Compared to today, how is it different now than from the time you were growing up? Can you speak from Mvskoke first? That is some more than
Sa Diyos ko sila doon fitten man po na we played outside. But not that is yakabit fully don't do as and then how you want that is this stili jogging duwag and mga hayas stabig kabi hagi pinundos. It's a lot of difference. So
now my last question, or this will be the second to the last question. How valuable do you think that the preservation of the Mvskoke language is?
I think it's very serious that we need to, our younger ones need to know our language. We need to hold on to. That's about all we got to hold on to. And but I guess we can all just say it in prayer, you know. Sabi naman sa inyo po, you know what, man, nakstuhan doon, man, kasi doon ka. But yeah, it's something we need to know.
Can you say all that in Mvskoke?
I'll mix it up in it. Creek in Bonaga. Kisira Histo as an Amagia Stihosi Adula Haga Stihosino, Tihosi Piros, and Moes Bidagin Monayak Nawat Islagibaris ko nito sa Pinas. Pray that the kids learn, you know.
One final question.
Mhm.
If there's anything that you want to leave, a thought, or maybe a phrase, or maybe something you want to leave, what do you want to say at this time? I'll just say that.
Okay. Alltså, hisagrimisen umaganakin wegi no what? Umane hojadis. Madi noches. We believe in God, everything will be fine. That's what I believe. Just trust Him.
Whatever you get, just
This young man, his iskirogat, ma tihet kagi asi abogat, imbohagas sakko pon hijak no wat ketsen. Akkerahjen. Tihet kagi imbona imbotuan hanam talaket sen. Ma kisage geska ketsen. Onna magin imbohitsa kalam kalam kalam. Ma tihet kagi nakkisage geska. Anyway, it's this Indian had a horse, and the horse got out, and they told the son to go down to the neighbors and ask them if they seen the horse. And so he goes down there, and then he comes back, and they said they hadn't seen him. He said, well, what did you say when you asked him? He said, galam, galam, galam. He said, he didn't know how to talk English either, so. But anyway, that's fun. Oh, all right, that's it.